Hello everyone, today's topic of discussion is greenwashing. Greenwashing is a marketing practice that misleads consumers by making them believe that their products are environment friendly when in reality they are not. Now let us more understand about greenwashing. The term greenwashing was coined in the 1980s to describe the misleading claims by corporate companies. Many companies claim that their products are eco friendly and they are helping the planet to mislead consumers into choosing their product. For example, in the present times, more and more personal care products such as soaps, toothpaste, etc., are labeled as organic, but deep research can reveal that most of them contain harsh chemicals. Some companies make vague statements such as biodegradable, non toxic, etc. Many biodegradable products are harming the environment by releasing powerful greenhouse gas as they break down. More and more companies are unnecessarily using nature images, green colors in display and video advertisements to trick consumers into believing that their products are eco friendly. Some companies provide misinformation about their company's carbon emission and their business practices that harm the environment. A few companies do not even list out the ingredients properly. In the present times, people are more aware of greenwashing marketing practices, so they are rejecting the products of such companies. But not all greenwashing strategies can be easily recognized. Government should take steps to punish companies that mislead consumers by greenwashing marketing practices instead of waiting till the consumer lose confidence in such companies. To conclude, greenwashing is a manipulative marketing practice which is used to mislead consumers into believing that their products are eco-friendly even when they are not. Many companies are spending so much money on greenwashing to make more sales. When the consumer realize the truth, such companies lose consumer confidence. It is important to avoid greenwashing marketing practices to build a successful business. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.